a whole minute. But first, thanks for the beer, babe.
We're in the garage today because I'm gonna have her do her first modifications to her big rubber ducky. So what are you doing here?
I don't even know. I don't belong in here.
You don't?
No.
We're gonna upgrade the headlights.
LEDs, baby!
She's blind as a bat, she can't see at night, so yeah, we're gonna just change the stop halogen lens. We're gonna change the stop halogen bulbs to LEDs.
Do you know what we're doing?
I don't know what we're doing. I'm gonna walk her through it, so she's gonna learn today.
Good try.
Or f it up, one of them two.
Probably the second one.
Let's start. Amazon LED headlights. I don't know, they got the best reviews, so I bought them, and yeah, they should work. I don't know, I've never really had a failed headlight from Amazon. So, are you ready for this?
I hope I don't f it up.
Probably, it's fine. It's a Miata, it'll live. They live forever.
It's gonna be put through worse probably eventually.
Yeah, when you track it, right?
Whoa, okay, slow down there.
You'll be fine. So, that's what they look like, boring headlights.
Basic.
Just like you.
1 week later.
Okay, so this is a completely different day. Obviously, the yellow car's out there, Desiree's car's out there, and my car's in here. I f***ed up. I ordered the wrong headlight bulb, so we winded up basically scrapping that video. Or not scrapping it, we just stopped where we were, and we're starting here today. We got the right ones now, I hope. I also found out that apparently she has a different fog light assembly on hers. It's like an 04 assembly, which is also why I ordered the wrong ones. And then also ordered the wrong ones because I ordered a 2000 instead of a 2002, which are different. Anyways, before we continue in and I'm finishing up barbecuing some stuff. We'll pull her car in, pull my car out. Status update. It doesn't run again. I don't know why. I can't figure it out. It kind of sounds like the fuel pump, but it's going to be kind of disappointing because it's a brand new fuel pump. It's a Dutchworth fuel pump. I don't want to put it on that. I want to say it's probably wiring or something stupid along those lines, because that's what the issues I've been having all year with this car has been wiring. So yeah, we'll get back more to this and figure out what's going on, because I honestly don't know what's going on, guys. Also, the last 3 videos I posted, I'm gonna do more things like that, hopefully. But yeah, we'll get back to that too. Let's just slow down a little bit and become a more Miata pace and do the headlights first. So we're gonna try this again. Hopefully these are the right ones. If not, then I'm gonna be sad again, because that'll be the second return. I still haven't even finished the first one. Let's start. Look at that, all the power.
Sorry. Totally. What? It was funny.
I'm gonna do one, and she's gonna try the other one.
Attempt.
She's gonna do the other one.
I don't know what I'm doing.
She doesn't.
No.
This will be your first time doing anything mechanical.
Anything. I'm not a mechanical person. I have the artsy side, not the mechanical side. So I don't know anything about anything when it comes to
Anything.
anything.
Your high beams are here. I mean, your low beams are here.
I can't see where here is.
This is here.
Oh, gotcha.
We're just gonna double check to make sure these plug in, because... All right, they do, sweet. So that's that.
Mm-hmm.
And you untwist this one, pull it out, set it somewhere there, a little happy place. You take this, you stick it in the hole, rotate it till it perfectly fits. Boom. And then you plug it in. That's simple. We'll get this tucked away. Let's test it out. Boom. Look at that. You happy now?
Yeah, I'm going to be.
Okay.
So.
Okay, so we got one in. I had some fog lights for her. I was gonna surprise her. We had some yellow ones, but they're the right ones, but they just won't work for this style plug-in. It's weird. It's an H1, but it plugs directly into the socket. And what we have is like an extended one with an H1 plug that reaches to somewhere else. So
Basically, you up again.
no, I didn't up.
Gloves are on.
Okay. Now, what's
I
the
look
next,
like a mime.
what's the next step? I wish you were a mime. What's the next step?
Well, you have to unplug this one, right?
Right there.
Yep. Now wait till the little tab and pull back.
Wait, what? Do it?
Push it. You see the little tab pull up?
Yeah.
Now when it pulls out, pull back.
Oh, now I can't get it to go up. Maybe it's the gloves. Got it.
Ah, look at that. You got it. Okay. Now what do you do?
Up, right? Twist it up. This part?
Down. I think.
Down?
I think this side's down.
That side was up, wasn't it?
Yep. Pull it out.
Oops.
You gotta make sure you gotta look what you're doing. There you go.
Got it.
There. Put it in this little happy place.
There you go, little happy bulb.
I would say keep these for spare, but you know.
You got plenty.
Now, but install this side first. Like put it in there like you took this one out. Put it in there and twist it. I mean, it only goes in one way, so.
Okay, twist in.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Now plug it in.
Plug it in. Plugged in.
Now, what you can do, we'll test it, see if it works.
Testing it, not looking directly at it. Hey, it works.
Look at that. You can do it.
Thanks.
High five, look at that.
After you helped me.
See, was it so bad?
That was
Was it your first
awful.
headlight change ever? I'm so proud of you. You're just screwing up so fast.
starting off small.
Next thing you know, you'll be turboing this.
Oh.
It's way better. Way better. I like when you can incorporate LED bulbs in the factory housing. Not so much for that because it's US and they didn't really know anything about like halogens at the time. But two things going on in this garage. We have the E28. It needs an oil pan and a gas tank, not a gas can. It needs an oil pan and a gas tank to be running again. And then we can get that sold because this sold means more money for this. This car, I don't know what's going on this year. I mean, the balance is well, it's not powerful, obviously, for the class I'm racing in. It's just not. I feel like I'm doing pretty good. I can definitely improve, 100%. If I put a new suspension on there, I could probably improve my times greatly just by having more confidence in the handling of the dynamics of the vehicle. But I can't get it. This stupid issue is going on where now it's not starting again. I literally, it's been sitting out there. I pulled it off the trailer, parked it in the grass back here so I can get her car in so we can film the video of putting her other headlights in. That didn't work out, so we backed her car out. I went to start my car, started it up, put it in gear, went to back out, rolled a couple feet, and then it shut off and went to start again. So that's gonna be a whole other series that's gonna hopefully before the last race of the season I can get it going, because I at least want to complete out the season and say that I did it. So I want to be able to complete this season. I want to be able to get the experience under my belt to do other races, other pro races, other things that might pop up in the future, and I'll have, you know, more track time. So, and plus traveling the country, taking her places, taking taking good old Lady Lavender here to different tracks and just experiencing things that I never thought I was going to be able to experience with the Grid Life crew is amazing. So I would like to leave you guys with this. Go to zetrodesign.com, check out some of the stuff. If you guys need custom t-shirts, custom anything, that is I'm not gonna say that is our business. That is something we're doing to get bigger and better so I can race more and travel and make you guys happy. My goal is to make you guys happy with putting branding on anything you guys want. When it comes to t-shirts and hoodies and pants and stuff and masks, I want you guys to be able to take your race team, your company, your baseball team, anything, slap your name on there and be happy with it, with the highest quality materials, and knowing that we're a small family-owned business and we love every single one of you. So check it out, zetrodesign.com. I love every single one of you. I will see you guys next time.
that by 2. Turbo it. Yeah, stay tuned.